everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Sadness from the movie Inside Out. All right, let's get started. Let's start with her face, and now I'm going to start near the top of my paper, and we're going to draw a C shape. Alright, so that's her face, and now let's draw her hair. So start right above this line, and we're going to draw a curved line going around and down like that. And then I'm going to start right here at the top, and we're going to draw a curved line going the other way. And that is going to connect to the side of her head. So this is the top of her hair, and now let's draw the part that kind of covers her face. So we'll start right here. It kind of swoops around and down. And then we can draw some lines to give her hair some texture. Perfect. Okay, next let's work on her face. I'm going to start with her eyes. Now we're going to draw an oval shape right about there. And another oval shape right next to it. And now she's kind of like looking up. So we're going to do a little half circle for the top part of her eyes. And Sadness has large glasses, so let's draw her glasses. I'm going to start right about here. We're going to draw a big circle going around her eyes. All right, and now we're going to draw a circle on the inside. Do the same to the right. So we're going to draw another circle right around her right eye and a smaller circle on the inside. And we can connect the two lenses like that. And then Sadness has two little eyebrows, and they kind of make like a little U shape because she's sad. And then let's draw her nose and then her mouth. All right, that looks great. Now pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, let's keep going. Next, I'm going to draw her body and her sweater. So her sweater comes all the way up to her head, underneath her head. So we're going to start right here on the left side, underneath her head. We're going to draw a little curved line coming down and another one coming down. And this line is going to curve around and back up and connect to her hair. And then I'm going to draw little squiggly lines that give her sweater some texture. All right, now to draw her arms. I'm going to start here on the left, and this line's going to come down and it's going to curve up, almost like a backwards J. And then I'm going to start my other arm right underneath her hair, and it's going to do that same line. It's going to come down and curve up like a J. And then she has little cuffs at the end of her arm, like sleeves. So it's like a little rectangle shape there. And same on the right. And then she's got her hands kind of holding each other. So I'm going to draw a curved line at the top, a curved line at the bottom. And then this hand is going to come up, down, and up. Almost looks like a little mitten. Let's connect it. All right, now we can draw the rest of her body. So let's start here on the left side and draw a short line down. And then on the right side, draw another line down. And then I'm going to connect these two with a curved line. And then just like her neck, she's got kind of that same pattern at the bottom of her sweater. Let me erase this right here. There we go. With those same squiggly lines, like the top. All right, next let's draw her legs. I'm going to start here on the left, right underneath the sweater, and this line is going to kind of go in a little bit. And same on the right, we're going to start here and it's going to curve in. All right, and then right in the center of her sweater, right here, we're going to go down just a little bit, and then we're going to draw another curved line going out. And then this line's going to go out as well. And then let's connect those two. And we can connect the bottom of her pants. All right, and to draw her feet, we're going to just draw a little curved line that goes around and it connects. Same on the right. And then her shoes have like a little, it's like a different color at the toe. So we draw a little line like that. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks amazing. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.